Hey, it's Logan from Gray Main Racing here with your Motorsports Minute quick tech tip. When is a Phillips screwdriver or Phillips screw not a Phillips screwdriver or Phillips screw? Well, quite literally, when it's not. In my right hand, I have your standard snap-on number 2 Phillips screwdriver. In my left hand, I have a P2 Japanese industrial standard screwdriver. Now, your standard screw you're going to find in a Japanese car or motorcycle made in Japan will be a Japanese industrial standard screw, not an American Phillips screw. If you use an older, like this one, still good quality, still works nice with Phillips, screwdriver on a Japanese industrial standard screw, you end up with something like this. You see this nice end here? It is mangled and almost become a Robertson. In previous videos, I actually had to chisel a straight edge in so I could get it out. Sometimes you can get lucky, like I mentioned before. You can take a Phillips, which is a square screwdriver, in this nice square end, and with enough pressure and force, you can hold it in there and take it out, if you get lucky. A lot of times, you're not going to. A lot of members and viewers from the States aren't going to have this because this is a predominantly Canadian screw and screwdriver. You can order them online thanks to Amazon. Just a little tip. Hopefully, in the future, ordering these Vessel Impacta, this one's Impacta 980 P2 100, will save you from having to do what I did and spend $100 in buying proper screws to fit your Japanese bike or car. Because even when I was at the dealer, they said, oh, you just need a really good, brand new Phillips screwdriver. No, you do not. You need the proper Japanese industrial standard screwdriver. And that is your Motorsports Minute tech tip. Look forward to more.